This is the Omaze Mist and Go Toilet Freshener, air freshener for any of those smelly areas. Omaze Mist and Go has various different aromas of nature-inspired fragrances for you to benefit from. There's blossom, breeze, dream, fresh linen, and lavender scent. You can get them in a handy 2 fluid ounce spray bottle, as well as a smaller, inconspicuous travel size. I have the blossom, the breeze, and the lavender with me today. Thank you, Omaze, for sending these to us to compare and share. The best thing about these sprays is that these air freshener sprays target the odor molecule. Like, they neutralize it while at the same time adding a light natural fragrance with natural essential oils. So it's different to other sprays that are just trying to mask or cover up the unpleasant odors that you want to hide. Very simple to use, a quick shake and then just a couple of sprays. And then the odor neutralizers in the spray mist target the odor molecules, reducing their effect. The scented oils then give off a pleasant natural aroma along with that. The bottle design is very generic and looks great just sitting in your bathroom or anywhere that you may be carrying it around. And the Omaze Mist and Go can be used to improve anywhere that you don't want any of those unwanted smells, such as smelly trash cans, laundry, diaper pails, litter boxes and such, not just the bathroom.